So hey guys, this is Kostik and today I'm gonna tell you how can you make your own Jarvis from scratch. Okay, so first of all, let's save this file. You can also download this from GitHub. Okay, GitHub link is in the description, or you can just go up here, on the source forge to download the whole version. Okay, it's free of course. So once you have downloaded the code, what you have to do, just I'll just tell you by step how you can actually do this. Let's save it as simple thing. You can just save it as test jar with dot py. Okay, so let's save it as this. So now you can also write in notepad, or you can also write in pycharm and any id you want. Okay, simplest is at the notepad. Okay, so what you can do, you have to first install the pip and the pptx. This pptx is actually for the voice. Okay, so speech recognition. Actually this pptx works, is a library of Python, which actually use most of the things with the AI and SciPy voices. Okay, so speech recognition is how it recognizes a voice, and those all simple library ones you download from the pip packages. It's simple as that. And now, if you want to add any custom commands, you can add up here. And if you want to install pip, there are many videos on YouTube you can check out. Okay, I'll also make a video on that soon. So see, you can also just add your own commands. Okay, uh, here and the else if. Okay, you can also add your own commands in the elif class, and that's simple as that. You can make your own AI and explore it, as simple as that. There's no big deal in making this AI. Okay, nothing big if you know simple parts of programming. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that's all for this video. And if you want to download the source code, that's link in the description. And this is an open source AI, most AI. If you want to check it out, download it. Link it is all it's in the description. So I if you want, I have to cover this Jarvis thing in more detail. Please comment down in below, because most of the people who don't know like don't know Python and have a difficulty, please comment me down. Okay, so this is a very simple. If you know Python, simple. Just the difficulty is how you can download the packages. Okay, pip package is a difficult thing because most of the computers like have errors or have some issues for downloading the packages. Okay, like the pip package. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye bye.